Hey guys, welcome to my channel Babli Beauty. In this video, I am going to show how to make DIY eye cream to get rid of dark circles. At first, we have to make green tea water. For this, we need a tablespoon of green tea. I am using a green tea bag. If you have loose green tea, then you can also add that. And then add a cup full of water to this. Soak this for 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, the color of water will change. Take a strainer and strain the green tea water in it. Now we start the preparation of cream. For this, we need 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and 2 teaspoons of green tea water. And add a vitamin E capsule to this. Mix them well. At first it will be lumpy, later it forms an amazing cream. Now you can see the cream was ready. Take an appropriate amount of cream and apply around your eye area before going to bed and wash it off in the morning. With daily application, it will surely fade your dark circle. If you liked this video, then like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye.